Hi, boys and girls. Today you read the story Cendrillon, the Caribbean version of Cinderella. So in your packets, I'd like you to find the pages that look like this, that has Cendrillon's traits. So here is a cartoon picture of our beautiful Cendrillon from the story. What I'd like you to do in each bubble is write one word that you would use to describe Cendrillon. Like we could say about Cinderella. So for example, when we turn here, we could see that she was a hard worker, that the stepmother was making her work. Kind of reminds us a lot the same as Cinderella with the evil stepmother making her do all the chores. But she was still a really sweet and kind girl. And she wanted to go to the ball, just like Cinderella. But that wicked stepmother didn't want to let her. We could see there's some beautiful pictures here. So let's think of some words that would describe her. And I'd like you to fill in the bubbles and share with someone in your class or at home. And you can always go back to the story and listen again. I love the story and the music. The next page says use one trait you wrote. Use evidence from the text to explain why that trait describes Cendrillon. So let's pick one word that you might use to describe Cendrillon. Maybe kind. She was kind because, what did she do that was kind? Think of something maybe in the story that she did that you could use. Or if you said she was a hard worker, what did she do that was making her a hard worker? Think of things. She was brave to even go to the ball and disobey her stepmother. So you could think of some things that happened in the story and go back and listen to the story again if you need to fill that writing in. And then you can share with your class. There's also another piece of writing that goes with this. Imagine that Cendrillon is given her godmother's mahogany wand as a wedding gift. What do you think she would use the magic for? Explain. And I would start with restating the question. She would use the magic for. What do you think she would use the magic for? It would kind of be fun, wouldn't it, to get that magical wand and be able to use it for whatever you wanted? So what do you think she might use it for? And you can go ahead and fill out these 2 pages and share with your class. And I hope you enjoyed that other version of Cinderella.